What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Big Logan channel. I'm your host, Big Logan. So today is bittersweet. It is our last and final build series episode on Peggy the Ram ProMaster here behind me. Herculiner truck bed liner in the garage area is complete. Sliding bed transforming from a twin to a king is in. And my mother came through, bless her heart, with all the upholstery and beautiful finishes on Peggy. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek and then we're gonna get this episode started. You guys ready for this? Woohoo! Yeah! All right, that's enough of the sneak peek. Let's get today's episode started. We are finishing out the garage area on the Ram ProMaster. We've gotten to that point. Trunk garage area will be finished out with none other than Herculiner truck bed liner. That's right, we put Flex Seal to the test for our shower pan and it turned out beautifully. So this is another urethane based sealant that is going to be ultra moisture resistant, really tough. I have the textured brush in the kit, so that's going on. And we're finishing out our chairs in the dinette area. So we got the outdoor shower out and marked. Over here we have a solid plate that won't move. I'm gonna do another solid plate up here by the tank where it won't move, and then two access panels here and here. That'll help you get in to winterize, troubleshoot anything, drain the tank, service the pump, shut off the main water, good to go. We're all prepped in here in the bed area. Herculiner textured roller is ready to go. I gotta get some gloves on my fingers. They say this stuff's pretty nasty reading the instruction manual. And I'm gonna start over here, see how well it goes on. So they say 2 coats, let the first coat dry 1 to 4 hours or until it's not tacky anymore, and apply the second coat immediately. So that's the plan. Today's perfect out here. Let's get to it. Let the first coat set up for about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. It's bonded really well to the plywood. It hasn't moved at all, no bubbling. I gotta show you guys this. I can't take any action shots right now. I got my rubber gloves on and the roller in hand here, and this stuff's pretty sticky. Second coat is looking rad. I'm talking bad to the bone. The texture is coordinating now a lot better. Before it was kind of sparse and uncoordinated and all over the place, but now with a coat number 2, it all ties together. This stuff, definitely a 2-coat process, but look at that. This is all wet. This is all going on. Second coat. Textured roller, so they send you 2 textured rollers, that way you have enough for your second coat. I had to buy a second cheap brush. They send you 1 cheap brush but not 2, which is odd. In the morning I'll check up with you guys once this stuff is hopefully all set up. We got really mild weather tonight. All right, guys, we'll check in with you here soon. All right, good morning. It's 4:30. I was laying in bed like a little kid on Christmas wanting to come down here and see this bed liner. So we're starting today early. Coffee's on the pot. This stuff is so cool. Still a little bit of tack to it, but nothing on my fingers. I just painted myself all day yesterday. That's all from yesterday. I think I lost some video, but this is where I was going to tell you that I was on my way over to my pappy's house to meet my Mama Dukes to start working on the seat cushions for the dinette area. So let's check in with Mama Dukes. All right, there's Mother. We're back over here at Pappy's house.
High density foam, Joann's Fabrics.
5 inches.
5 inches.
And the bread knife. Mom already had that. She knew what to do. So today's Mom's birthday. So we're hanging out. It was good timing. Mom's up from her house in North Carolina and Pappy's over there reading the paper. All right, we're gonna cut the foam, go size it up in the van. We took some measurements. Let's do it.
Don't film it at first, look.
I'll line you up. You're good. Oh my gosh. Get ready for the blood. Get ready to take us to the hospital, Pat. Oh, this is how you do it, huh? What do you think, Pat? What is that?
Dobrze.
Good. Man, is it rainy out. Rainy in Brewston Mills, West Virginia. Here's old Peggy. Let's get her inside here quick. Here comes Mom with her umbrella.
Go ahead. I got this.
I'm fine, Mother. Oh.
Nice.
That's nice. We're gonna do a final reveal when Mom gets the upholstery done on the foam, and it'll finish out on the white seats. So what I'm doing with these is the shaker style drawers. These are gonna be storage cubbies. They're just gonna slide on felt pads too. They're not gonna slide on sliders. I'm just gonna put some big old felt pads on the bottom, but I will retain those in the seat with the Kranich catch latch. Still waiting to button that up. Paint fingers. Coat number 1, coat number 2 is next. All right. Second coat is on. Think I got paint all over me, maybe on my beard. You tell me. Felt a lot of splatter when the paint lid was going back on. Catch up with you guys in the morning. All right, another update for you guys. 2 coats of paint are on these chairs and drawers, and all the Herculiner bed liner access panels are installed. Here she is. This stuff is tough. It has so much texture to it and grip. Look at that. It is looking sweet, guys, and it is jet black. Time to get these chairs in next. Give you an update soon. All right, guys, Mama Dukes came through big. We got the chairs in now. We have the shaker front drawers, and we have the seat cushions on. You guys ready to see it? Here you go. Voila. So that is it. Those are the 2 seats. The table goes right here. These fold down into a small bed. I'll show you that later. And check these out. Little felt bottom, solid cubby drawers, nice 3/4 inch plywood, heavy bulk storage, dry foods, dry goods, shoes. And those just latch away like that, ready for the road. So these seat cushions are a nice gray pattern with some black stitching in them. Looks kind of like an automotive seat, so goes in good with all the grays that are going on here and in the ceiling. So it ties it all together really nicely. Really excited, guys. Since we got all this done so fast this week, we are gonna start going and doing the bed system. So we built this whole van around the retractable bed that will be around a full size retracted if you're driving solo. If you're doubling up, pull this thing all the way out, and this is just slightly smaller than a king bed. So I'm gonna make this retractable bed frame and get started on that. We're gonna put that in this vlog, and honestly, that's gonna wrap up the main portion of this build series. After that, it's the van tour video. So let's get this bed started and get rocking. Rock steady. When the vans are rocking, don't come a knocking. That is it. Let's do the footboard. All right, my people, there she is. The footboard is in, and all the slats, they're supported with brackets on both sides here and pocket screws. So here goes. From slightly smaller than a full to 78 inches long by 73 inches wide. That is as legitimate of a king bed as you can get in one of these vans. So looking great. Time to get the mattress pads on. Mom's working on the upholstery now. I'm ready for her, so we're gonna check in when we get those pieces in. Nasty day to be out here, but Mama Dukes came through with the mattresses and the upholstery sections. So there's Mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Mama's doing hand sewing right now on the mattress cover before we put the nice gray custom fitted sheets on the 3 mattress sections. So and there she goes. Made with Love by Mama Dukes.
Yeah.
And she's listening to her music over here on her iPhone, jamming out. I'm doing a little inner cabinet trim out work, just making these things look beautiful. And we're just working out of the rain today, trying to stay dry. Give you an update when the mattress sections are going in. They look great. And Mom's gonna demonstrate the sliding bed.
It's a center.
There it goes. Right till you bump into the spice rack. And now we just move these in for the night. These are pre-sheeted. So they're like giant, can you show them, where's the edge? Mom sewed these sheets up to be like giant pillowcases. So you can wash them before your trip and then throw them on, and that way you're not crawling up here tucking in a slip cover. This piece of mattress that we just put the slip cover on doesn't move.
Wouldn't have to.
Wouldn't have to move. So here goes, Mom's gonna pop it in. Look at that. It is beautiful, guys. Check that out. So cozy with the little night lights too. Night light, USB charger, and on-off switch. Nice little light spots. Cool. Alrighty, and there it is. Big, luxurious, king-size bed. So we didn't trim this mattress to length until it fully expanded. We trimmed, what, like an inch off of it for length. And then width, we only trimmed initially about 3 inches. It's like 73 by 78. So very large, very cozy. The mattress finished up right at the height of the window trim and right within arm's reach of your little bed light. Guys, that's a wrap for this episode. The next episode that we're going to get down to is the actual van tour. I have a couple small trim out items to do and button up. We got to put the propane burner in. We'll show you guys that on the van tour. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe to the BigLogan channel today. Thanks, Mom. She's laughing back there. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.